Welcome to this short introduction to Rulefinder Data Privacy, which is brought to you by aosphere. Rulefinder Data Privacy is brought to you by a team of expert data privacy professionals who curate and obtain detailed and standardized information from local council all across the globe. Rulefinder Data Privacy is useful for organizations both large and small who may be dealing with data privacy issues in one or more locations. It is available on a subscription basis with flexible pricing options. In this short recording, we will take you through some of the key features of the product, but please do contact us to arrange a fuller demonstration or a free trial. From the homepage, there are a whole host of features such as daily alerts, trackers and summary tools, which we will look at later. From this page, you can select the jurisdiction or jurisdictions that you're interested in looking at from the map or the drop-down menu. For this overview, let's take a look at the report for Norway. Each jurisdiction is structured in the same way, so once you get familiar with the look and feel of the data, you will find it easy to navigate around each jurisdiction. In each jurisdiction, there is an overview section. This will provide you with a speed read of the data privacy rules in the jurisdiction. In addition to these overview documents, we also have a much more detailed range of sources, which can be seen by expanding the Show Sources tab. From here, you will get a direct link to the detailed memoranda of law obtained from leading privacy counsel in the jurisdiction, together with useful links and also sources of law. The underlying memoranda from local counsel is an incredibly detailed document and also contains local counsel's contact details. We do understand that people don't necessarily want to read hundreds of pages of legal analysis, so our on-screen tabular color-coded report breaks down the detail from the underlying memoranda into bite-sized chunks. These tabs include handling personal data, which includes sub-tabs on topics like conditions for processing, consent shown here, privacy notices, individual rights, data security, privacy assessment, and sensitive data. The information in these subtabs is intended to be highly practical. So looking at consent, as we scroll down, you'll find information on when consent is valid in certain situations and provide information about valid ways to indicate consent. Each answer is traffic light color-coded red, yellow or green, and there are links to the underlying survey if you want further information. From within a report, you can use the Functions button to view earlier versions of information in a jurisdiction, to print or save as a PDF or export to Excel. The Compare feature allows you to select one or more data points and compare them across multiple jurisdictions. Here's an example. Let's say we want to compare the rules across the Middle East in relation to managing consent. We can see the comparison at a glance on screen or export the report to Excel if helpful. Back in the main report, the tabs cover a whole range of topics such as direct marketing, employment, including a range of employment FAQs covering a whole host of practical scenarios, data transfers, whether domestic or international, and breach response. For data transfer and breach response, we have additional apps found on the homepage to support this analysis with practical user-friendly tools. Let's look at the International Data Transfers app. The app covers transfers to more than 140 destinations. Once we've selected our origin and our destination jurisdictions, we'll receive a report explaining an international transfer compliance rating and details of data transfer requirements. You also get access to a Schrems 2 toolkit providing information on considerations when transferring data outside of the EU. Our Breach Response app allows you to compare the breach response requirements to both data subjects and regulators across one or more jurisdictions in a few clicks. If you are unsure which jurisdiction's laws may be applicable to your fact pattern, then you may want to use our Data Privacy Territorial Scope tool, found here. From the homepage, you can also access our Privacy Developments Tracker. This document is in Excel format and provides a summary and consolidated view of all developments by jurisdiction, consolidating your horizon scanning and allowing you to search by topic and jurisdiction. Alongside the consolidated tracker, we issue and monitor daily for alerts and developments across all of our jurisdictions. You can configure your alerts from your profile page, which can be found here. The most recent alerts will show on the homepage and are color-coded for impact. By clicking this arrow, you can view and filter across all alerts. Alerts are impact flagged to give you a sense of their importance. You can also search across all alerts. We welcome subscriber feedback, and you can contact us via the support link on the homepage. I hope this short demonstration has been helpful. For more information on pricing or to arrange a free trial or a fuller demonstration, please contact us at info@aosphere.com or through our contact form on our website. Many thanks.